Sounds direct.
Hey everyone, I'm Lili Marsh, co-founder here at Data Tiles. Welcome back to our how-to video series where we provide insights and solutions for businesses across different industries. In this episode, we're diving into the painting and decorating services industry and showing you how ChattterBox can streamline your operations. Whether you're managing multiple projects, tracking material costs, or looking to boost customer satisfaction, understanding your data is crucial. Today, I'll walk you through how to easily upload your data from tools like HubSpot, project management software, or even accounting platforms, and use ChatterBox's AI-driven prompts to get actionable insights. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to track project performance, optimize material usage, and monitor customer satisfaction, all while making smarter, data-driven decisions. So let's get started. Let's begin by uploading your data to ChatterBox. Head over to the My Files section where you can easily import data from your project management tools, CRMs, or accounting platforms via CSV or text file. This could include details about painting jobs, customer information, material costs, or timelines. ChatterBox centralizes all this information to streamline your operations. In this demo, we'll upload sample data for recent painting jobs. If you're following along with ChatterBox, you can download the sample file linked below. By uploading your own project data, you'll see firsthand how ChatterBox transforms raw information into valuable insights. Once you have a handle on project performance, the next challenge is controlling material usage, a critical factor in avoiding wasted resources and unexpected cost overruns. You can ask ChatterBox how much paint was used for each project this month. ChatterBox will show you detailed material usage data, helping you to optimize your resource planning. If you want to visualize the data, you can download the report into Excel and create charts that show which projects are using more resources than expected, enabling better decision making. Now that we've covered how easy it is to upload your data into ChatterBox, let's look at some of the common challenges faced in the painting and decorating services industry. Whether you're juggling multiple projects, dealing with unexpected material costs, or trying to keep customers happy, staying on top of everything can feel overwhelming. Fortunately, ChatterBox is here to help. By analyzing your data, ChatterBox makes it easier to tackle these common pain points with clear insights and practical solutions. Let's start by looking at project performance, one of the biggest challenges when you're managing multiple projects at once. Navigating to ChatterBox from the My Files section, select the file you wish to chat with. You can ask what projects are delayed. ChatterBox will provide a summary of each project that is delayed. You can download the insights into Excel and create visual charts to share with your team, helping you manage multiple projects efficiently. With your material usage optimized, the next step is understanding customer preferences and trends. Knowing what your customers want is key to offering the right services and growing your business. With ChatterBox, you can ask, what types of services do customers request most frequently? The tool will generate insights that help you identify trends, like whether customers are opting more for interior painting or decorative finishes. You can easily export these insights into Excel and create charts to see which services are in high demand. Once you're aligned with customer preferences, the final piece of the puzzle is monitoring customer satisfaction. Ensuring your customers are happy is essential for securing repeat business and building a strong reputation. With ChatterBox, you can ask, how did customers rate our services this quarter? The AI-driven prompts will give you feedback summaries and satisfaction ratings from your customer database, highlighting what you are doing well and potential areas of improvement. You can download this data and create visual dashboards in Excel, helping you monitor customer satisfaction over time. Now that we've tackled those key challenges, let's talk about how to measure success and ensure your business stays on track. By focusing on the right industry metrics and KPIs, you can get a clear picture of your performance and make informed decisions. Project completion rates. Knowing how often your projects finish on time is critical for maintaining client satisfaction and managing schedules efficiently. By asking what percentage of projects were completed on time this year, you could identify any dropping completion rates, which may uncover issues like staffing shortages or delays in material delivery. Material cost per project. Controlling your material expenses helps you avoid cost overruns and stay profitable. By asking ChatterBox, what is the average material cost per project this month, you can identify which projects are exceeding budget and take steps to negotiate better supplier rates or optimize material usage. Average project completion time. Understanding how long projects typically take can improve your scheduling and client communication. You can ask ChatterBox, what is the average project days of completion this quarter? If completion times are increasing, you can investigate potential causes such as project complexity or resource availability. Customer satisfaction scores. Monitoring feedback helps you maintain high service standards and improve where needed. By asking ChatterBox what was the average customer rating for projects last month, you can identify where ratings are low and explore feedback for specific areas to improve, like timeliness or quality of work. By tracking these key metrics, you'll have a clear understanding of your project performance, material costs, and customer satisfaction. With ChatterBox, you can quickly turn these insights into visual reports, helping you make smarter, data-driven decisions that keep your painting business on track and thriving. To wrap things up, let's go over some expert tips and best practices to help you get the most out of ChatterBox and keep your painting business running smoothly. Weekly project check-ins. At the end of each week, use ChatterBox to review project statuses by asking, show me all projects that are in progress or delayed for this month. You can download the insights and create a visual timeline in Excel to adjust resources and timelines proactively. Monitor material usage consistently. Regularly check how much material each project is consuming by asking, how much paint did we use for each project this month? This allows you to identify which jobs are consuming more resources than expected and adjust your estimates or supplier orders accordingly. Leverage customer satisfaction data. Focus on delivering the services your customers value the most by asking which services have the highest customer satisfaction scores. This allows you to understand which services are highly rated and can be used in your marketing efforts to attract more business and boost customer loyalty. Identify trends in service requests. Understand what your customers are asking for the most by asking what types of services do customers request most frequently. You can then adjust your service offerings or marketing strategies to meet demand, such as promoting interior painting if that's in high demand. By integrating these tips into your workflow, you can manage your projects more effectively, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction, all with the power of ChatterBox. Thank you for joining me in today's video. I hope this walkthrough of ChatterBox helped you understand how to improve project management, optimize material costs, and enhance customer satisfaction in the painting and decorating services industry. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tailored how-to content across various industries. Don't forget to start your free trial with ChatterBox today to unlock the full potential of your data and stay ahead in the competitive painting and decorating market. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'd love to hear how you plan to use ChatterBox in your business. Until next time, catch you in the chat.